Look at what you ate for breakfast this morning. I'm serious. Think about it right now. Toast, cereal, orange juice? If the answer is yes to any of those, I need you to hear what I'm about to say, because those foods that feel harmless or even healthy may be adding fuel to the exact fire that's burning in your feet and hands. Today, I'm giving you 2 lists, 5 foods to cut back on and 5 to replace them with. Simple swaps, no extreme diet, no giving up everything you enjoy. Let's start. Most people with nerve pain focus on supplements, the pill, the prescription, and those things matter. We've talked about them in other videos, but here's what no one tells you. You can take the best supplements in the world, and if you're eating the 5 wrong foods every day, you're putting out a fire with one hand and pouring gasoline with the other. Food causes swelling inside your body. We call it inflammation. That swelling presses against nerve fibers. It slows blood flow to them. It blocks the very nutrients trying to repair them. For someone without neuropathy, that's uncomfortable. For someone with already damaged nerves, that daily swelling is a crisis. The good news is simple. Food-caused swelling can go down fast, often within days of changing what you eat. Here are the 5 foods to reduce and 5 better ones to put in their place. Number 1 on the cut list, sugar and white flour. These 2 spike your blood sugar fast, and when blood sugar spikes, even if you're not a diabetic, your body floods with a chemical that directly damages the coating on your nerve fibers. Remember how we talk about the protective casing on an electrical wire? Sugar eats that casing. It doesn't do it all at once. It does it slowly, every day, over years. And most people don't connect the dots. Now, I'm not telling you to never have sugar again. That's not realistic. But here's the swap. Replace white bread with ancient grains bread. Replace soda with water plus a squeeze of lemon or some of those salts that are out there. Replace morning cereal with eggs. Those 3 swaps already reduce your blood sugar spikes by more than most people realize. And remember, the after dinner walk we talked about in another video, that walk helps clear blood sugar too. These strategies work together. Number 1, cut sugar and white flour. Swap for ancient grains and protein. That's the adjustment. Number 2, vegetable oils. This one surprises people. Canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil. These are almost in every processed food, every restaurant meal, every store-bought salad dressing. They cause swelling inside your body daily. Every time you eat them, that swelling builds up around the nerve fibers. It cuts off blood flow. It makes your nerve pain worse. And most people never connected what they cooked with. Here's the simple swap. Cook with olive oil instead or butter in small amounts. Both are far less likely to cause nerve inflammation. When you eat out, ask if your food can be cooked in olive oil instead of vegetable oil. Many restaurants will do this. Read labels at the grocery store. If the first ingredient in any packaged food is canola, soybean, or corn oil, put it back. Number 2, switch your cooking oil. That's your step 2. Now, we flip to the healing list. Number 3, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3 fats, and omega-3 fats do something remarkable to damage nerves. They reduce the swelling inside the nerve fiber itself. They help rebuild the protective coating we keep talking about, and they improve blood flow to the tiny vessels that feed your nerve endings. The research here is strong. Studies show that omega-3s reduce nerve pain scores significantly. Not overnight, but consistently over weeks. 3 servings per week is enough to make a difference. A serving is about the size of your palm. If you don't like fish, canned sardines or the most affordable option and one of the most concentrated sources of omega-3s available is a good choice as well. If you truly cannot eat fish, a high-quality omega-3 supplement at 1,000 milligrams a day at least is a reasonable alternative. Look for EPA and DHA on the label. Those are the active types. 3 times per week, palm-sized portion, that's the adjustment. Number 4, dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. These are the most underrated nerve foods on the planet. Here's why. They're loaded with folate and B vitamins, the same nutrients your nerves need to rebuild and repair. And unlike supplements, your body absorbs nutrients from whole foods more efficiently. They also contain magnesium, the same mineral we talked about in our supplement videos. Natural magnesium from food is processed different than magnesium from a pill. You need both. How much? 1 cup of cooked greens per day. That's 2 handfuls raw, wilted down to 1 cup with heat. Add them to eggs in the morning and then add them to soup at dinner. Blend them into a smoothie if you don't enjoy the taste on their own. 1 cup every day. Number 4, daily greens. Number 5 on our healing list, turmeric, specifically the active ingredient inside of turmeric called curcumin. Curcumin is one of the most powerful natural anti-swelling compounds we know of. Studies have compared it directly to some of the over-the-counter pain medications and found it works just as well reducing inflammation without the stomach damage, without the kidney risk, without the long-term side effects. Here's the one thing people get wrong with turmeric. On its own, your body barely absorbs it. You eat it, it passes through. Add black pepper. Even just a pinch, black pepper increases how much curcumin your body absorbs by up to 2,000%. 2,000%. That's not a typo. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to a warm drink or your food every day. That's all it takes. Or look for a curcumin supplement that says with bioperine or with piperine on the label. That means the black pepper compound is already added. Number 5, turmeric every day, always with black pepper. That's the adjustment. Here's your homework for this week. Pick 1 food from the cut list, just 1, and pick 1 food from the healing list, just 1. Do not try to change everything at once. That doesn't work. I've seen it fail more times than I can count. 1 swap, 7 days. At day 7, do the pen test we talked about in the B1 video. Roll the pen between your thumb and finger. Rate the sensation out of 10. Compare it to where you started. For most people, 1 week of reduced sugar and added omega-3s produced a small but measurable change in nerve sensitivity. Small and measurable is how real healing works. It's not dramatic, but it's real. 1 swap, 7 days, write it down. Let me put it all together. Cut back on sugar and white flour. They damage the nerve coating every single day. Cut back on vegetable oils, canola, corn, soybean. Switch to olive oil and fatty fish 3 times per week. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. Add 1 cup of dark leafy greens every day. Add turmeric daily, always with black pepper. These 5 changes work best when they're paired with what we covered in our overnight nerve repair protocol because you're feeding your nerves the right building blocks and giving them time at night to use them. Both videos are linked below. Start with just 1 thing. Pick the easiest swap for you this week. What is worsened by habit can be improved by habit. I'm Dr. Andrew Fetterman. This is the Nerve Relief Project. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.